If you're new to cybersecurity, you've probably heard the terms red team, blue team, and purple team. Most explanations online are either oversimplified to the point of being useless or buried in jargon that assumes you already know the answer. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to explain all three properly, what they do, how they're different, and which one might be right for you. So let's get into it. I'm Unsalted. I work as a SOC analyst at a cybersecurity firm. Now, let's imagine a bank. The bank has a vault. Inside, there's money, gold, sensitive customer information. The bank's job is to keep that vault secure. Three groups care about that vault. The first one, the burglars. They are the bad guys. They try breaking in. They pick tools, crack safes, bribe employees, sneak in through ventilation. They'll try every angle until something works. Then comes the security guards. They've got cameras, alarms, wall doors, and motion sensors. Their job is to make sure no matter what the burglars try, they get caught or stopped. And finally, a former burglar, now hired by the bank. Their job is to keep breaking in using every trick they know and then sit down with the security team and explain how they did it so the security team can patch every hole before the real burglars can find them. In cybersecurity, those three groups have names red team, blue team, and purple team. The first is a red team. The red team is the burglars. Their job is to attack the organization, legally of course, with permission, and find vulnerabilities before real attackers do. Common roles include penetration tester, red team operator, and ethical hacker. They usually use tools like burpsuit, metasploit, and map. But mostly the job is creative problem solving, which is nothing but thinking like an attacker. One thing nobody tells beginners is that red team roles are mostly not entry level. They require years of foundation in networking, operating systems, scripting. The hack into stuff for a living image attracts huge number of beginners, but actually entry level offensive jobs are rare and competitive. Next up is blue team. The blue team is a security guards. Their job is to detect attacks in real time, respond when something goes wrong, and harden the organization against future threats. Blue team is much broader than red team. It includes SOC analysts who watch alerts and investigate threats, incident responders who handle major breaches, threat intel analysts who track attacker behavior, detection engineers who build the rules that catch threats, vulnerability managers, security engineers, and GRC analysts. If you're entering cybersecurity, blue team is where the actual jobs are. Defensive roles outnumber offensive roles roughly 10 to 1 in the job market. SOC analyst is the most common entry point. And finally comes the purple team. Purple team is where it gets interesting. It's red and blue teams working together deliberately to improve security. In a traditional setup, red team must attack, write a report, hand it over. Blue team reads it later. There's a wall between them. Purple team brings that wall down. The red team attacks while sharing what they're doing in real time, and the blue team watches whether their detections catch it. They tune defenses together in the same session. Purple team can mean an event, a function, or a full role depending on the organization. Purple team jobs are rare. Typically, you grow into them after years on red or blue side. Which one is right for you? I mean, to be honest, if you love breaking things and creative problem solving, and you're willing to spend years building foundations first, red team might be your path. If you like pattern recognition, handle pressure well, and want a realistic entry point, blue team is where most people should start. If you want the bridge role, you'll get there, but it's usually a destination after experience on either side, not a starting point. For most beginners, the realistic path is to enter through blue team, then either go deeper into defense or gradually move towards offense as you grow. So yeah, that's pretty much the breakdown. Red team breaks in, blue team defense, purple team bridges them. This channel is going to focus specifically on the blue team because that's where most cybersecurity jobs are and where I work day to day. If you're trying to break into cybersecurity, get your first SOC role, level up from L1 to L2, or grow further into blue team like threat intel, detection engineering, or incident response, that's what I'll be covering here. If that sounds useful, subscribe. See you in the next one.